to properly set up the pendulum, the first step is to connect the arm to the base, tightening the wing nut underneath. Then you take the bag of sand, probably best to use a scissors, and you cut the sand bag off, and then you pour the sand into the center of the tray. Just simply pour the entire bag into the center. Then you take the pendulum, which has been screwed up high on the rod, and you put the pendulum into the pendulum sleeve, just like this, so it's flush at the bottom. Then you connect the rocker arm and the ring to the hook on the pendulum and hang it from the top. Now it's simply a matter of using the blunt edge from the pendulum with the sleeve on it to spread the sand, pushing the sand from the center on outward. As you go, you simply need to lower the pendulum by screwing it out like this, and then once again pushing the sand from the center on out. You just continue to repeat this procedure just a few times until such time as you've got the sand fairly well spread throughout the tray or the base of the pendulum. I'm going to go ahead and lower it a bit longer, a little bit further. And once again, from the center, pushing the sand out, just as you see here. Not only are you spreading the sand out, but you're actually shaping the sand in a slight concave or bowl effect, which is necessary because it corresponds to the arc of the pendulum, or the swing that the pendulum goes through. Now this is a judgmental thing, but at this point, I'd say that it's just about ready to be able to be used. Now, you take the pendulum sleeve off, put this back together, and as you can see, the pendulum is beginning to make designs in the sand. Notice that the pendulum is turning counterclockwise right now. In just a moment, it will be turning clockwise, and it will do that repeatedly as it creates a new geometric design in the sand. And of course, each time you put the pendulum in motion, it wipes out an old design and creates a new one over it. Any little lumps of sand like these will soon be broken up and the sand will be perfectly smooth. And that's how you properly set up the pendulum.